Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're going to pull data from Icloud onto Android. Start now by confirming the Icloud backup exists and noting your Apple ID. Once done, install Google Drive and a chosen transfer app or smart switch on the Android device so the tools are ready. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and the phone is charged above 50%. Then sign into your Apple ID on a temporary location if required. This avoids repeated 2FA interruptions during extraction and lets you fetch the iCloud archive quickly. Now extract the actual files from iCloud. Sign into iCloud via a desktop extraction tool or the transfer app and select Contacts, Photos, Calendars to export. Once selected, download Contacts as VCF, Calendars as ICS, and Photos in original JPG/hike. Convert hike to JPG if Android won't read it. If you have mail or notes, export them as Mbox or ML and plan to import via Gmail or a Notes app. Make sure file names and folders stay organized, so finish by moving the exported files onto the Android device. Use USB, Google Drive, or an SD card to place VCF, ICS, and photo folders where Android can access them. Then import Contacts via Contacts app, Calendars via Calendar import, and Photos into Photos or Gallery. Grant storage and account permissions when prompted. Once imported, verify sync settings so changes persist. If something fails, recheck Apple ID two-factor status, convert any unsupported file formats, and ensure the transfer app has full permissions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.